Hi, today we are going to learn number series. In banking examination, this number series plays a very vital role both in pre-examination as well as in mains examination. In pre-examination, there will be 5 questions on number series. Out of 5, there will be one question which will take some time. Not always, but sometimes you will get one question which will take some time. Then it is better to skip that question and focus on the rest 4 questions. Else our target should be that 5 out of 5 questions should be solved for the number series, and it should be solved within 2 minutes. And in the mains examination also you will find 2 to 3 questions on number series that will be of 2 marker. So if you are able to solve the questions on number series in the mains examination itself, it holds a very vital role in the selection process. Okay, so let us start. What is this number series? The number series is based on some logic. We have to find out the logic. Once the logic is recognized, then we have to find that either missing term series is there or wrong number series is there or one new type of series comes in the examination that we will discuss it later. Now, what approach should be there to find out the logic? We have to find the logic in the series, but what approach should be there? So we generally try to find the logic with the help of slope method. What is the slope method? Now I will explain you one by one about the slope method. Look, the slope method is divided into 6 types. The first type 1. Type 1 is named as minimum slope. Type 2 is named as medium slope. Type 3 is named as maximum slope. In between the medium and the maximum slope, there is a type 4 which is named as mean slope. Then type 5, that is ups down series. And then type 6, that is 2 series. So we will learn one by one what is minimum slope, what is medium slope, what is mean slope, and so on. So first we will learn about type 1, that is minimum slope. Minimum slope, like slope will be in the form, the series will be in the form A, B, C, D, E, so on. So either we will see that this series is in the increasing order or this series will be in the decreasing order. So when it will be increasing order, when the every successive number is greater than the previous number, then it is in the increasing order, else it will be in the decreasing order. So what we try to find out in minimum slope, there suppose the number is given in the form 5, 6, 8, 11, 15, 20. So how do we recognize that it is minimum slope or maximum slope or mean slope, and what is the use of that? So we just see on the larger number. So what is the larger number? 20. Just before that 15. So each 20 2 times or 3 times or 4 times of 15? No. Each 15 2 times or 3 times or 4 times of 11? No. So from here we come to the conclusion that something must be getting added. If it is in the increasing order, or if it will be in the decreasing order, something must be getting subtracted. So we just recognize the slope, that this slope is of the nature minimum slope. So now how will we approach this question? Once you have recognized that the slope is of minimum slope, just start writing 5, 6, 8, 11, 15, 20. So how you reach on to 6 from 5? So you added 1 over here, then you added 2 over here, then you added 3 over here, then you added 4 over here, then you added 5 over here. So what in the end you will do? You will add 6 over here and the answer will be 26, like this. So something is getting added, or something, if it is in the decreasing form like 20, 15, 11, 8, 6, 5. So here what we see, that is this 5 some times of 6, means 2 times, 3 times? No, it is not like this. Is this 6 some times of 8 like 2 times 3 times no. So again we have seen that it is in the form of minimum slope. So minimum slope means something must be getting added or subtracted. So it is in decreasing order, so something must be getting subtracted. So how you reach on 15 from 20? So you subtracted 5 from here. How you reach on 11 from 15? So you subtracted from 4 from here. How you reach on 8 from 11? So you subtracted 3 from here. Like this, you will subtract 2, you will subtract 1, and you will subtract 0. So again the answer will be 5. So this is a type of minimum slope. In the minimum slope, we only add something or subtract something. Okay, now let us look at the question, how the questions are asked in the examination. The first question. The series is 2, 6, 33, 49, 174, 210. So as we look at the question, our first priority should be to recognize the slope. So we will look at the larger number is 210, and just before that it's 174. So each 210, 2 times of 174, 3 times of 174, 1.5 times of 174, no, it is not like that. So from here we came to the conclusion that something must be getting added or subtracted. Now we look at the series is in the increasing order, so we come to know that something must be getting added. So now start from the very beginning. How will you reach at 6 from 2? So you will add 4 over here. How will you reach at 33 from 6? So you will add 27 from here. Then how to reach 49 from 33? So you will add 16 from here. Okay. Then how to reach 174 from this 49? You will add 125 over here. Always remember, by the 3 results, the rule gets confirmed, and after that we don't check for the further result. When we get the 3 result, the rule gets confirmed. So here we are witnessing that it's plus 4 plus 27 plus 16. Okay, so how to recognize this? Now first thing in number series that you must be knowing the square from 1 to 25 and the cube from 1 to 10. If you know this much, then you can recognize the series easily. So here we see that it's plus 4. Plus 4 means 2 square. 27 plus 27 plus 27 means 3 cube. Now plus 16. So 16 will be 4 square. Now the rule gets confirmed. It's plus 2 cube plus 3 plus it's plus 2 square, it's plus 3 cube, it's plus 4 square, then it's plus 125 means plus 5 cube, then 174 and 210 it's plus 6 square, then it will be plus 7 cube. So how? Plus 7 cube is how much? So plus 7 cube is 343. So add 210 to 343 and we will get it 553 as our answer. So the answer will be option 1. Okay. Now move to the second question. Here the question is 9 and then the missing number, then 20, then 31, then 51, then 82 and then 133. Now how will we attempt the question? So we will first look at the greater number. Greater number is 133. The number before 133 is 82. So each 133 2 times 3 times 4 times of 82, no, it is not like this. So again we will proceed that whether it is in increasing order or decreasing order. So we see that it is in increasing order, then something must be getting added. So we will start writing. We don't know here how we reached from 9 to this and then 20, but we know how we reached on 31. So we added 11 over here. Then from 31 to 51 we added 20 over here. Then from 51 to 82 we added 31 over here. Then from 82 to 133 we added 51 over here. So now as we write it, we see that this 82 is the sum of the just previous two number. This 31 is the sum of the just previous two number. This 133 is the sum of the just previous two number, 82 and 51. So what will be here? So sum 20 is sum of previous two number, 9 plus x 9 plus x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 minus 9, that is 11. So our answer will be 11. So 11 is not in the option, so it will be 5, none of these. Okay, so now I hope that your concept over minimum slope is over. Now I will give you some exercise question over all the concepts, but first we will witness all the concept here and one or two examples on every type of slopes. Now our second type, that is medium slope. Medium slope, what does this signify? In this type of series, every successive number is either 2 times, 3 times or n times of the previous number, or every successive number is near to 2 times or near to 3 times or near to n times the previous number. Like it will be in the form into 2 into 2 into 2 plus something plus something plus something or minus something or into 3 into 3 into 3 plus something or minus something, like this. It will be in this form. So let's understand it by an example. Here we see that the series is 5, 11, 23, 47, 95 and 191. So again our approach is we focus on the greater number. Greater number is 191 and just before that the number is 95. So 191 is how much times of 95? So it seems to be 2 times. 95 into 2. So we write here into 2. 95 into 2 means 190 and we add 1 over here. Then we see 47 and 95. So again 95 is 2 times of this 47. So into 2 plus 1 near to 2 times. So every number we see that every successive number is near to 2 times of the previous number. So we write into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So from this three results our rule gets confirmed that this series is a type of medium slope where every successive number getting multiplied 2 times of the previous number and something getting added or something getting subtracted. So this type of concept comes under medium slope. So let us look at the example that how the question comes in the examination. Now our third question is it's the series 7, 20, 46, 98 and 202. Then what will be the next number? So now we will look at the larger number. The larger number is 202. Now this 202 and look at this number just before 202, it's 98. Now can you see that 202 is near about 2 times of this 98? If we consider it 100, it's 200, so it's near about 2 times. Now again see 46 and 98, so it is also near about 2 times. It is also near about 2 times. So just write it down. 98 and 202. So into 2 plus 6. So 46, 98, how you reach there? So 46 into 2 plus 6. 20 and 46, how you reach there? So into 2 plus 6. 7 and 20, how you reach there? Into 2 plus 6. Never start with a smaller number. If you will start with a smaller number, there will be some difficulty in facing the question. Always look at the larger number. The larger number itself will tell you what is the nature of the slope. Once you recognize the nature of the slope, just write it down directly and you will reach at the answer. So here we came to know that it will be 202 into 2 plus 6. So 202 into 2 is 404 plus 6, that is 410. So C is our answer. Again look at the fourth question. The fourth question 3, 5, 9, 17, 33. So again what we will do, we will look at the larger number is 33. Number just before 33 is 17. So it seems that it is near to 2 times. So every number seems near to 2 times. So just write from the very beginning into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1, and by this three result the rule gets confirmed. The rule is into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1. So again 33 into 2 minus 1, that is 66 minus 1 is 65 is our answer. So these two questions was based on the concept of medium slope. Then maximum slope. And maximum question in the examination will be based on this type of slope, maximum slope. The maximum slope is of the nature that the number is keep on increasing, and that too in a disproportionate amount. Like the every successive number will be 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, like this, or 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times, like this. The number keeps on increasing in a disproportionate amount. Here, let us see through an example. Here the series is 5, 6, 13, 40, 161. So if you will start with the lower number, just 5 and 6, so you will be tempting to write here +1, +7, like this, and you will never reach at the result. Just go through the slope method. What the slope method tells, that just look at the larger number. The larger number here is 161. The number just before the larger number, that is 40. So can you recognize that 161 is how many times of this 40? So it's 4 times. So write 4 into 4 over here. And what is the remaining? So 40 into 4 is 160, and so plus 1 you will add over here. Again, now look at the number just previous to this. It's 40 and it's 13. So 40 is nearly how many times of this 13? So it's 3 times. So write into 3 over here. Then 6 and 13, so it's 2 times. So into 2 plus 1, then into 1 plus 1. The rule gets confirmed. The rule is into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 4 plus 1. So lastly 161 into 5 plus 1. So how you do 161 into 5? You know 160 into 5 is 800, and 1 is there, so it will be 805 plus 1, 806. So this type of questions comes under maximum slope, and most of the questions will be of this nature in the examination. Now, how the question will be there? Here it is written 221, 138, 705, and what will be the next number? So how will we approach this question? We will just look at the slope. So we will try to find the slope. So how to find the slope? Just look at the larger number. Larger number is 705. The number just before this is 138. So can you see that 705 is how many times of this 138? If roughly you consider it 140 and roughly you consider it 700, so it seems to be 5 times. So just write into 5 over here. Now 21 and 138. So 21 and 138. So if you consider it 20 and it's 140, so you will be tempting to write into 7 over here. Okay. So if you consider this 2 and 21, so you will be tempting to write into 9 over here, like this, into 7 into 9. So okay, you can try it by this. If you write 221, 138, 705 into 5 into 7 into 9. So into 9 plus 3 into 7 minus something, फिर into 5 plus something. So the rule is not getting clear. Then 705 into 3 minus something. Okay, the rule is not getting clear. So you came to know that there will be something different rule over here. So it is confirmed that it is 5 times of this. So now just move back and write it into 6 and into 7. So as soon as you write 21 into 6, it came out to be 126. So 126 plus how much will be 138? So it will be plus 12, plus 12. And 2 and 21, so it will be into 7, so 14 plus 7, so into 7 plus 7. So now 2, 21, 138, 705, and what will be the next? So it is into 7 plus 7, it is into 6 plus 12, it is into 5 plus 15. So this is a very special type of case which comes in nearly every examination. One question you will find on this case. What this case tells you? Here you came to know that it is into 7, into 6, into 5, though it will be into 4. but here you are adding plus 7 over here, plus 12 over here, plus 15 over here. So what you will add into 4 plus what? So look, just learn this special case. This special case it is into 7 plus 7, into 6 plus 12, into 5 plus 15, so into 4 plus what? So this says that this 7 is 7 into 1, this 12 is 6 into 2, this 15 is 5 into 3. Subtract 1, add 1, subtract 1, add 1 and get multiplied. So 7 minus 1 6, 1 plus 1 2, 6 into 2 12, 6 minus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3, 5 into 3 15, subtract 1 4 and add 1, 4 into 4, that is 16. So add 16 over here. So this rule is like this, into 4 plus 16 matlab 4 into 4, now 3 into 5, now 6 into 2 into 6 and again 1 into 7. If the series keeps on going, so it will be till here. So now in this question we came to know that it will be 705 into 4 plus 16. So 705 into 4 is how much? We know 700 into 4, that is 2800, and 5 into 4 is 20. So it's 2820 and plus 16. So it will be 2836. Now in all these options 2836 is not available, so your answer will be 5, none of these. Okay.